Hello everyone, welcome to the introductory lecture on human anatomy and physiology. I am excited you to guide through the study of human anatomy and physiology, exploring how our bodies are structured and how they function. So we begin by defining anatomy, derived from the Greek words ana meaning up and tome meaning cutting. Anatomy is fundamentally the study of the structure and organization of living organisms. This field involves a detailed examination of the shape, size, position, and the intricate relationships between different body parts. To achieve this, anatomists employ various techniques, include the dissection, advanced imaging methods like X-rays, MRI, and microscopy. Anatomy can be broadly categorized into several subdivisions. First, we have gross anatomy, also known as macroscopic anatomy, which is the study of the structures that are visible to the naked eye. Within gross anatomy, regional anatomy focuses on all structures found within a specific body region, such as the head or the abdomen. In contrast, systemic anatomy delves into the study of individual body systems like the skeletal, muscular, or nervous system. Lastly, surface anatomy, which is concerned with the external features of the body and their correlation to internal structures. Continuing with the subdivisions of anatomy, we move to microscopic anatomy, which involves the study of structures that are too small to be seen without magnification. This includes histology, the study of tissues, and the cytology, the study of cells. Developmental anatomy or embryology tracks the structural changes that occur from conception all the way through the adulthood. Pathological anatomy is dedicated to understanding structural changes brought about by disease. Finally, comparative anatomy involves comparing anatomical structures across different species. So now let's transition to physiology. The term physiology comes from the Greek words physis meaning nature and logos meaning study. So physiology is the study of the functions and mechanisms of living organisms and their various parts. It explores how organs and systems operate, how they interact with each other, and how they collectively maintain the life. This field draws upon principles from chemistry, physics, and biology to gain a comprehensive understanding of bodily functions. Just like anatomy, physiology also has several subdivisions. Cell physiology examines functions at cellular level. Systemic physiology focuses on the functions of specific organ systems, such as cardiovascular or respiratory systems. Neurophysiology is the study of the nervous system, while endocrinology is dedicated to the hormones and their endocrine functions. Pathophysiology investigates the functional changes that occur due to diseases. Lastly, exercise physiology explores how the body responds to physical activity. The relationship between anatomy and physiology is fundamental and deeply interconnected. We often say that structure determines function. For example, the muscular walls of the heart, which is anatomy, enable it to effectively pump the blood, which is physiology. So, conversely, function can also influence the structure. A clear example of this is how increased muscle use leads to hypertrophy or muscle growth. So, therefore, to truly understand the human body, one must study both its structure and its function in an integrated manner. The scope of anatomy and physiology extends across numerous fields, especially within medical and health sciences. In medicine, this knowledge is crucial for diagnosing and treating diseases. For surgery, a precise understanding of anatomy is absolutely essential for successful procedures. Nurses rely on this understanding for effective patient care and to comprehend bodily functions. In biomedical research, anatomy and physiology are also foundational because for developing new treatments and medical technologies. Even in sports science, this knowledge is applied to improve athletic performances and prevent the injuries. Beyond the medical and health sciences, anatomy and physiology are vital in other fields also. Forensic science utilizes this knowledge to identify bodies and determine the causes of death. In biotechnology, it assists in areas like genetic engineering and the development of prosthetics. Moreover, anatomy and physiology form the fundamental bedrock for the education of all healthcare professionals. So, in summary, anatomy is the study of the body's structure, while physiology is the study of those structures' function. These two fields are inextricably linked, and understanding one without the other provides an incomplete picture of the human body. So, their combined knowledge is critical across a vast array of disciplines, from direct patient care to the groundbreaking scientific research, and all of this. Thank you for joining this introductory session. If you found this information helpful and insightful, please